So let's do the next two merits of the joint stock companies. So what is the next merit? Let's learn that. Scope for expansion. Of course, joint stock companies present you immense scope for expansion. The reason being that large amount of capital can be accumulated. बहुत सारा capital आप इकट्ठा कर सकते हो from the shareholders or investors because number one, the liability of the shareholders is limited. उनकी liability, उनका risk बहुत defined रहता है, इसलिए they are more interested in investing in mutual funds or shares. Number two, there is a transferability of shares. That means they can sell out their shares anywhere, anytime in the stock market. So is यही reason है कि shareholders are very much interested in investing in the companies. So companies get huge amount of capital, and when you get huge amount of capital, then children, of course, you can plan for expansion of the business. So let's read the text with regards to this. It says, as compared to the sole proprietorship and partnership form of organization, a company has large financial resources. That's the first key word here. Further, capital can be attracted from the public as well as through loans from banks and financial institutions. If you remember, one of the major disadvantages in sole proprietorship was the limited capital. The reason was that the banks and the financial institutions are not interested in investing in these sole proprietorship firms because they do not have faith or trust in that. But in case of companies, even the banks want to invest. They want to give loans. They want the financial institutions. They want to invest in companies. So if I talk about Reliance Industries, around 7.8% of the shares of Reliance Industries is owned by LIC, Life Insurance Corporation. 46% shareholding is in hands of Ambani Group and the Ambani promoters, and the rest is owned by the different financial institutions. So they are willing, the people are more willing, the banks are willing to invest in these companies. So there is a greater scope for expansion. The investors are inclined to invest in shares. Now, why are they interested? These are the three reasons given here. So they are interested to invest in the shares because of the limited liability. That's the first point. Transferable ownership. That's the second point. And third is possibility of high returns in a company. So returns in a company, yes, that's a very important point. बच्चे, आज की डेट में अगर आप किसी भी एफडी पे इन्वेस्ट करते हो तो मैक्सिमम इंटरेस्ट रेट जो आपको मिल रहा है दैट इज़ अराउंड 3 to 4%. और कोई भी, चाहे आप अगर उसके अलावा किसी भी और ऑप्शन में इन्वेस्ट करते हो तो इतना इंटरेस्ट आपको कहीं पे भी नहीं रह गया है. आई थिंक एट प्रेजेंट एफडी का रेट 4 to 5% में होगा विद द कोरोना पैंडमिक. बिफोर कोरोना इट वाज समवेयर अराउंड 6%, not more than that. लेकिन आपको म्यूचुअल फंड्स, द कंपनीज ऑफर यू द रिटर्न्स as high as could be 12 to 13%. In some cases, if you invest money for a longer period of time, your returns can go as high as 16 to 17%. So return बहुत ज़्यादा हाई रहती है, इसी लोग जो हैं they are interested in investing in joint stock companies. So let's move on to the next merit. The next merit is professional management. So अब इतना capital आपके पास है, of course you can afford better people, specialized people, professional people. So जितने भी IIT graduates to IIM graduates निकलते हैं, IIM from any IIM you talk about, so all the art of them are taken or absorbed by these multinational companies or these companies or corporates, joint stock companies. Reason, they can afford them. So they can afford to pay such high salaries to them. Secondly, when the company is working on such a large scale, their scale of operation is so big that it permits the division of work. So work can be divided into different divisions. So हर division में का जो काम है वो एक एक मैनेजर के हाथ में दे दिया जाता है, सुपरवाइज़र के हाथ में दे दिया जाता है और वो आगे अपनी टीम के साथ उस काम को मैनेज करता है. सो ओवरऑल वर्किंग बहुत एफिशिएंट रहती है, मैनेजमेंट बहुत एफिशिएंट होती है, डिसीजन मेकिंग बहुत ज़्यादा बैलेंस्ड होती है. सो लेट्स रीड द टेक्स्ट फॉर द सेम. They say a company can afford to pay high salaries to specialists and professionals. It can therefore employ people who are experts in the area of specialization. So वो HRM से उठाएंगे जो HR मिनिस्ट्री को रिक्रूट करेगा, जो हेड करेगा. So they will take a person who's done specialization in data management और inventory management. So वो inventory management वाले को inventory management पे लगाएगा. प्रोडक्शन, जिसने प्रोडक्शन में स्पेशलाइजेशन किया उसको प्रोडक्शन मैनेजमेंट की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी देगा. जिसने फाइनेंस में स्पेशलाइजेशन किया है वो फाइनेंस डिवीजन संभालता है. सो ओवरऑल the work is handled over to the specialists and professionals. So they can employ people, those who are experts in their area of specialization. The scale of operation in a company, and this is very important because companies work on such a large scale, it permits the division of work. Each department deals with a particular activity. हर department का अपना काम है और वो अपना काम ही देखता है. And each department is headed by an expert. This leads to balanced decision making. Now again it is a keyword here. Please ensure that you mark this if you have your books. Like it leads to balanced decision making as well as greater efficiency in company's operation. So decision making balance रहती है और company में efficiency रहती है, काम में बहुत efficiency रहती है. So with this we come to the end of the merits of joint stock companies. But this point, professional management, I want to explain it to you with the help of this flow chart. So you can see in the flow chart that there is a CEO, that is the person, the chairperson of the company. And now under the CEO there are 3 different divisions. Like there's a marketing division, there's a sales division, and there's services division. So marketing division is handled by a person who is an expert in marketing, sales by the person specializing in sales, and services headed by the person specializing in services sector. And then underneath them they have their own set of people, own group of people. So marketing वाले अपना काम करेंगे, sales वाले अपना काम करेंगे, services वाले अपना काम करेंगे, और इन सब को head करता है CEO. So all together there is division of work, जिसके कारण balanced decision making रहती है. So that's all for today's lecture, children. Please try to read the merits of joint stock companies. Thank you.